Here is how to create a panorama from DJI images with Microsoft I.C.E, the image composite editor. We'll load our 25 panoramic images. These are made by a Mavic Air. And we'll just use the auto settings. We'll stitch. So next we have to get the horizon flat. We drag it up and down. Then we'll crop. And take the bumps off the top of the image here like this. And we'll reduce the image size to 30%. Export to disk. That would be what you need to do in Microsoft I.C.E. Next, you need to work with Photoshop. Drag it in here. We'll select the color that we want to add to the top of the image. We'll pick this little bit of blue here, maybe there. Then we'll look at the image size itself. The image must have an even number width. So we will just add 1 pixel to this, make that an 8, and scale it. Then we'll go to the canvas size. We want to add the part of the image to the top, so we'll select down, near, we'll type in the half value, which is 2919. Go OK. So now we have the rest of our image, which has an exact 2:1 ratio. The other thing I like to do is to blur the intersection. So we'll select a bit below, and we'll do filter, blur, Gaussian blur. See how that looks. Turns out quite nice. File, save. Okay. Now we could upload this file to SkyPixel, and it will react as a 3D spherical panorama. Now, the other thing, if you really want to use the images in other places, is you have to add some tag information. So I'm using a program called EXFIT tool, and in here you can say where the 0 point in your panorama is. 0. The projection type. Now this is for anything in Google, this is called equirectangular. Enter. Use panorama viewer. True. And again the heading. 0. These lower ones you don't need to fill in. After you've put in the tags, you can hit save, and it writes them to the file. Now the reason you do that is so that they will work for you in things like Google Maps. So here's some of my panels that I've uploaded to Google Maps, and there you go. If you don't put the tags in Google, this will not work. SkyPixel, Choose upload 360 panel, and we'll bring it in. It'll take a while to process. Here's my SkyPixel page, and as you see, there are plenty of panoramas on here, as well as how to post spherical panoramas in the forum. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you find this helpful.